What's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to show you this free plugin you can use in Premiere Pro, you can use on your own videos, you can use on your clients' videos, and it'll save you a ton of time. And this plugin is called Premiere Composer, and I'll show you exactly how to download this. What you want to do is you want to go to Google and type in Adobe Premiere Composer, as you can see right here. Click the first link, and then if you have Windows or Mac, download that for your PC specifically, but that's really it. But just go through the steps of installing that. And then once you get that done, to put this plugin into Premiere, you're gonna wanna go to Window, Extensions, and then you're gonna wanna select Premiere Composer. And here you go. It'll pop up right here for the starter pack. There's text boxes, text presets, transitions, social media icons, shape elements, sounds. Honestly, I've used this quite a bit for my clients when I didn't want to spend money for new plugins or anything like that. But as you can see right here, here's also the text boxes you could use, text presets, different animations you can use. And I personally really like these transitions. I really like the zoom out and zoom in. And I personally really like the light leak, which I do use a lot. Use for your own personal projects, use for your clients' projects, and you could definitely get creative with it. The next section is social media icons. So as you can see, Universal, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, Twitter, YouTube. Use any of those. And then there's shape elements, so there's arrows, circles, and some other cool effects. And then sounds. I personally use sounds a lot. I like the swish sound effects personally, just because I use that the most. And I also like the pop sound effect. But definitely download this plugin if you're looking for free effects to use for your videos. It takes absolutely no work, just a couple minutes of your time. But yeah, hopefully this helps you with your editing journey. And if you have any questions, let me know down below.